Okay, let's just jump right in. We all use AI, right? And we kind of expect it to be, well, smart. But what if I told you that giving AI a truly powerful memory, one that can connect ideas across, say, entire libraries of information, has a massive, almost billion-dollar price tag? Yeah, today we're going to talk about that exact problem and, more importantly, the incredible breakthrough that might have just fixed it for good.
It's a question we've all run into, for sure. You ask an AI about something that happened, last week, and it just draws a blank. Or even worse, it confidently makes something up. This isn't because the AI is trying to trick you. Nope. It's because of a really fundamental limitation in how these things actually remember information.
Okay, so here's the core of the issue. Think of an LLM's knowledge like a photograph. It's a perfect, massive snapshot of the internet, but it was taken a year or two ago. It's frozen in time. Meanwhile, the real world, with new facts, new documents, your company's latest data, is a live video, constantly changing. That gap between the old photo and the live video, that's where all the problems start.
So, to get around this, engineers came up with a pretty clever trick. Instead of trying to update that old photograph, they thought, what if we just gave the AI the answers right before the test? It's basically like giving it an open book exam.
And this technique has a name. It's called Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or just RAG for short. It's actually a pretty straightforward idea. When you ask a question, the system first retrieves the most relevant, up-to-date documents from a database. Then, it hands those documents to the AI, along with your question, and says, here, use this stuff to answer. So the AI generates its answer based on fresh information. Pretty neat, right?
But, and there's always a but, here's where things get tricky. What happens when the answer isn't neatly written on a single page of that open book? What if, to get the right answer, you need to connect an idea from Chapter 1, a tiny detail from Chapter 5, and some random footnote in Chapter 10? Well, that's exactly where this simple RAG approach starts to fall apart.
You see, simple RAG is great at handing the AI a list of facts. It's like giving a detective a folder full of random, disconnected clues. But to actually solve a complex case, a detective needs to see the relationships between those clues. They need to put it all up on a corkboard with strings connecting everything. They don't just need a list, they need a mind map.
And that brings us to the next big step, graph RAG. This is the mind map we were talking about. Instead of just a list of text chunks, it builds what's called a knowledge graph. You can see it in this diagram here. It's like a web of ideas. It pulls out key concepts from the text and literally maps out how they're all connected. Now, the AI can actually follow these connections, these threads, to piece together way more complex answers.
So the big question is, does this actually work? Oh yeah, absolutely. And this isn't just some theory on a whiteboard. When this mind map approach was put to the test in a real system,
They saw a 30% jump in student engagement. A system called LightRAG used this exact technique for an interactive learning tool, and it worked wonders. Students were way more into it because the AI wasn't just spitting out facts, it was providing richer, more connected answers. So great, we have our mind map. Problem solved, right? Well, not so fast. Remember that billion-dollar problem I mentioned at the very beginning? Turns out building one of these beautiful, interconnected mind maps is unbelievably, ridiculously expensive.
How expensive are we talking? How about $33,000?
Yeah, that's the estimated price tag to process a single 5-gigabyte legal case. Just one. Imagine a law firm with thousands of those. As the researchers put it, that cost is just unacceptable for any real-world system. And the reason it costs so much is that you have to use these powerful, expensive AI models over and over and over again just to pull out every single relationship between every single fact.
Okay, so this is where our story gets really interesting. A new hero enters the scene. Instead of just throwing more and more money at the problem, a brand new approach called G2Cons came along and decided to, work smarter, not harder.
So how on earth does it do it? Well, G2Cons has this brilliant 3-step plan. First, it makes a quick and dirty concept graph, like a rough sketch of the main ideas. But, and this is key, it does it without using those super expensive AI models. Then, using that rough sketch as a guide, it intelligently figures out which pieces of text are the most important, the absolute core of the knowledge. And only then does it spend the big bucks to build a super detailed mind map for just those critical parts. Finally, when you ask a question, it searches both the cheap, broad sketch and the fancy, detailed core map at the same time. You get the best of both worlds, speed and detail.
And the results? Honestly, they're pretty stunning. Take a look at this chart. In this kind of graph, you always want to be in the top left corner. That means high accuracy for a low cost.
You can see all the other methods are either way over to the right, meaning they're super expensive, or they're way down at the bottom, meaning they're not very accurate. And then there's G2Con, that little star right in the sweet spot. It gets top-tier performance for just a fraction of the cost. This is a total game changer.
And this wasn't just some lucky accident. The researchers actually dug in and found this fascinating sweet spot. These charts basically show that the best performance, that peak you see on the orange line, came from building that detailed map using only about 80% of the most important information. Here's the crazy part. When they tried to map everything, adding that last 20% of less important stuff, performance actually went down. It's the perfect proof that working smarter, focusing on what really matters, is better than just working harder.
Okay, let's just look at the cold, hard numbers. This table makes it crystal clear. Your standard graph RAG, it costs about $2.50 and gets an accuracy score of, let's say, 13. Now look at G2Cons. It costs just $1.76, so it's about 30% cheaper, but its accuracy score jumps to almost 20. Let me say that again. It is over 50% more accurate for less money. That's not just a small step forward, that is a massive leap.
So, what's the big takeaway from all of this? We've basically followed this incredible journey, right? We went from a simple open book exam to this super powerful but wildly expensive mind map. And now, finally, we have an intelligent and affordable way for AI to really understand the deep connections buried in our knowledge. So let's recap. Just real quick. The problem? AI's memory is stuck in the past. The first fix, simple RAG, was like giving it cheat sheets, but it couldn't connect the dots. The better fix, Graph RAG, connected all the dots, but, well, it broke the bank. And the breakthrough? G2 Consensus. It gives us that amazing connected web of knowledge, but at a price that's actually realistic.
And that really just leaves us with one final and kind of huge question. For years, the dream of having an AI that could, say, read all of the world's medical research or every legal case ever and find those hidden connections, that dream has always been blocked by this insane cost. But now, that barrier is coming down. So if cost is no longer the issue, what are the massive, complex problems in science, in law, in medicine that we could finally ask AI to help us solve? What incredible discoveries are just sitting there, waiting in our data, ready to be found?